Welcome to this tutorial on Minnesota's Heat and Health Interactive Map. You can access the map by using either this QR code or by visiting mn.gov/heat. Extreme heat is the deadliest weather hazard in the U.S., and as Minnesota gets warmer, it's crucial that we have tools to prepare. This tool, created through a partnership between the Minnesota Department of Health and the University of Minnesota's Youth Spatial Team, is designed to help identify where people may face a greater health risk to extreme heat throughout Minnesota. When you first land on the page, this is what you will see: a landing page about extreme heat describing what it is, how it's measured, and additional information about heat risk. As we scroll down the page, you'll first encounter the Extreme Heat History Dashboard. This section provides great context on past heat events, but for today's tutorial, we're going to focus on the main vulnerability map, which is just below. Planning for heat isn't just about temperature. It's about who's most affected. This tool can help us find vulnerable populations in your community. To show you how it works, let's walk through an example. First, click the blue Close button to dismiss the Collaboration Attribution pop-up. The map will default to the Climate Projections tab, where you can see what parts of the state are expected to experience an increase in the number of days over 90 degrees. Next, I'll move my cursor to the county selector at the top right corner, and I'm going to choose Clay County. You'll see that it zooms in to Clay County. Let's imagine our goal is to find where older adults might be most at risk within the county to help plan local public health outreach. To do this, I'm going to use the Sociodemographics tab at the bottom, and I'll choose People age 65 plus. As you can see, the map instantly updates. The darker the purple, the more older adults live in that area. We can see a higher concentration here in the northern part of the county. But let's dig a little deeper. Now I want to select households where a person age 65 plus lives alone. There we go. And a clearer picture is beginning to emerge. The census tract here, let's zoom in a little, which is in and around Dilworth, has a higher concentration of people over the age 65 living by themselves. As we continue to explore data for this tract, we can see, so I'm going to go into socioeconomics now. We can see that households with no vehicle available and people with no health insurance are also highlighted in that area. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. Now this was the census tract we were talking about. I can click on the tract directly to get more information about different vulnerabilities that are characteristics that can contribute to a person's risk of extreme heat. This same process can be used for any county in Minnesota. This tool is designed to help local health officials, emergency managers, and planners make informed, data-driven decisions to keep our community safe. Thank you so much for watching. We encourage you to explore the Minnesota Heat and Health Interactive Map for your own community.